loves, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. If you're new, my name is Shell Love. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So today we're going to be learning how to create this Girl Power SVG file in Silhouette Studio. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead to Silhouette Studio. Once you have it pulled up, you go over to the left side panel and hit the A icon for text. So then you're going to type in GRL, add a few spaces. I'm going to do about 3 PWR. Then from there, I'm going to select the entire image and I'm going to go up to the top and change the font. Then from there, I'm going to select all of the text and change the color and remove the outline. I'm just going to make this a tad bit bigger. And then from there, I'm going to add in the peace sign. So you go up to File, Merge. And the reason why we choose Merge is because we want that file to open up in the same document as Girl Power. And here it is. Also, I will leave a link as to where I purchased this peace sign in the description below. So here I'm just going to resize it. And then I'm going to select it and make it the same color as Girl Power. Then from there, I will select the entire SVG, right click, go down and group it. So that's your first Girl Power. Then from there, we're going to go over to the right side panel and we're going to go to the replicate tool. And then we'll just go to duplicate down and we'll press that about 3 times. Then from there, we'll just go ahead and change the color. If you want more colors than what is offered on the top, you go to Advanced Options and then you can choose your color down here as well. Okay, and so that is all done as far as the color goes. Now what we'll do is we'll select the entire image, go up to the alignment tool and align center. From there, you're going to right click, go to group, and you have your final image. To save this, you can go up to File, Save As, and then from there you're able to choose between your hard drive and the library. So I'm going to save it to my hard drive, and then you save it as whatever you want, and the type you can save it as a Silhouette Studio V3 file or an SVG. Then you will select OK, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Also like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Bye, loves.